Hello everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations. I'm here to do a crochet tube, needing kind of like a floss tube, and Dana from Wonderlust Crochet is her idea, and so I'm going to start using these hashtags when I have finished objects, yarn tube when I have a yarn haul or anything to do with yarn. So I'm going to call this crochet tube. So I have a few finished objects that I like to show you this way because that way you can see it better. I also have a D-stash haul, mystery D-stash haul diamond painting that I purchased from my friend at Imprints, Allison. And so I'm going to face you the other direction so you can see what I got. And I'm so excited about the mystery box. So you don't know what's in there. It's just a mystery, right? And so I'm really excited about that. So after I'm done showing you my items, I'm going to turn you around and show you my mystery box that I received from her. And I'm going to link her TikTok and her Instagram down below in the description box. So if you want to purchase a D-stash diamond painting, you can message her through there and you know, tell her what you're looking for, or if there's something available that you want. I also link her YouTube channel down below. I'm going to also link Dana Wonderlust Crochet, since I mentioned her, down below in my description box. And a couple of patterns that I completed, I will also link those down below. So let's get started. So the first item I have here is this gnome. Isn't he cute? So there's a lot of screw ups on this, and I will link the pattern. It's a paid purchase pattern, and a lot of you may know or may not know I have a hard time reading patterns. They have to be extremely well written for me to comprehend it, and this was pretty much well written. I just made a few boo-boos on here, and so I used the Red Heart Super Saver here and here, and this was the Red Heart Sparkle, and this is Red Heart as well in buff or something. It's called a Teacup Gnome, and there is some screw ups. Now there is a pattern on this here, but this is a different pattern from what was written in her her actual pattern. And then I put a bead in the middle here, and I don't make a lot of amigurumis, but I mean I used to, and then I stopped, and then I need to get back into doing them again because I can get better at it. But like I said, there's a lot of screw ups on this, but you know, I'm happy with the way he turned out, and I'm pretty excited that I completed him over the 4th of July weekend. So there's my gnome, and I'm going to do a girl one, and then there's a ladybug one I just purchased not too long ago. I'm going to attempt to do that one. Like I said, they're written patterns. And the pattern, just one second. Here is the pattern. And I'm going to attempt to make the girl one, maybe starting this coming weekend or the following. Let's see if I can do it. And like I said, I didn't make the flower. This came from Muffy _corn cups by gnomes. So I mean, she has pictures. I can't really show the pattern because it's paid for, but I can show you the pictures, and then I will show you the ladybug. And this is the ladybug one I'm going to attempt to do. I don't have the bee one, but I do have the ladybug I purchased. So like I said, I'm going to attempt to do that next time too. So I will link her Etsy shop down below in the description box if you're interested in taking a look at that pattern. So yeah, and I did cheat a little bit. I glued the handle on, the flower, the arms, and the arms are kind of uneven, but I don't care. I did sew on most of the beard, but glued on the rest with a hot glue gun. This is somewhat sewed on, but I finished gluing that on as well. The handle, I could have done a better job at, and the top part I could have done a better job. Stuffing always confuses me on stuffing it and how well to stuff it. But yeah, that is my Gnome. So there's that. So he sits on my table, but he likes to tip. I didn't put anything else in it, like little pebbles or rocks or anything like that. So yeah, and I'm going to show you the 2 other projects I completed. So here is the other one I completed. This is called the Mandela. I think she called it the wagon wheel, and this was a pattern by Jeannie Butterfly Dreams, if I'm saying that right. I will link her YouTube channel with this tutorial down below in the description box. I used Lilies in Cream Strawberry, Peaches and Cream, or Peaches and Cream Strawberry. I used one skein of one and a second partial tiny bit of another one. I'm going to make maybe a couple of washcloth to go with them. So, and I did block it as best I could. So, and I will have a picture, hopefully, of them laying out. So that's one Mandela. And then the second one, this is the first one I made. This is using Hobby Lobby Crafts something, their cotton yarn. And I used one skein, and then the second one I used a little bit of another one. And then I used the border. I used, what do you call this? This is Dollar Tree Premier. And hopefully I'll have these laid out in a picture so you can see it. This was a lot of fun to do. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. Or I'm going to gift them. I don't know. But I like to make a washcloth to go with them. So I got those 3 items done. These were finished. I did one of them July 30th or June 30th. And I did the other one, this one the other day. And then the gnome I worked on over the 4th weekend. So took me all weekend to do that one. So I'm going to point you down below and show you the diamond paintings I purchased from my friend Alice, and I'm super excited. And like I said, I'm going to link everybody's channels down below that I mentioned in here, plus Allison's TikTok and Instagram. She shows some of the diamond paintings that she is destashing, and some of these I'm going to use, and some of them I may use in Happy Meal or something. But I'm pretty excited to support my friend, and she did a wonderful job, because it's the second time I'm filming this, of picking out these diamond paintings. So just stand by, I'm going to switch you over. Alright, I'm back for my destash. So I'm going to show you what she sent me. So what I'm going to do is, my sister did an order. So I'm going to show you what my sister ordered. And then I did 2 mystery boxes in one. So my sister did one and I did 2. So I'm going to show you what she received. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably fast forward this part, but I want to show you the awesome paintings that my friend, that I purchased from my friend. So let's get started. So I'm going to fast forward these so you can see in good timing, so I'm not on here a long time. So let's get started with my sisters. now I'm going to show you mine, and we're going to kind of fast forward a little bit so I'm not on here. So I'll start with the first one. Okay, this was a surprise for me. She threw in this huge bag of beautiful colorish yarn. I love this color. It's really beautiful. So this was very, very, very much a surprise. And there's a big, huge bag of it. And it's called Crochettube. I believe this is a Holbein brand, I'm pretty sure. Made in Turkey. And it is 100% polyester. And I think you could use a 3.5 millimeter hook. So anyway, Allison, what were you planning on making with this? Please let me know in the comments. Or what would you make with this? I have, one second. So there's 10 rolls of this with, I can't remember the yardage. 50 grams and 70 meters. So let me know what you would make with this. It's very pretty. See? Like a bag or something? I don't know. Anyway, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much, Allison. You did a wonderful job picking out all these diamond paintings that I absolutely love, and they're actually my taste. So I absolutely love every one of them. Like I said, go check out Allison's her Instagram and TikTok, and check out everybody else's links that I had mentioned in this video. And then if you want a diamond painting, message her and let her know what you're looking for. Maybe she has it. So yeah, everyone, that is my video for today. I hope you all are safe out there. Please stay safe and be well. Bye, everyone.